Guys, what's up? So I'm here quickly going to do a quick market analysis for you guys. Since you guys have turned into some pretty good traders lately, I no longer need to spend so much time on it. And because my modules are coming out and the mentorship side is almost done, and I got to go out there, I got a bunch of my boys working on working on graphics and designs for the supplements, our websites, all that stuff. So I got to get to work. Plus, I gotta go sign all the shirts. I gotta go autograph every single shirt, package them, get them ready to be shipped out. So guys, please share the feed right now. Share it quickly. Give me as many hearts as possible during the feed. No messing around, no joking around. We're gonna make a bunch of money right now. All right, right now. Okay. I'm gonna close the chat. Close the chat. Okay. So I'm Ocean Sky. Young entrepreneur, money maker, millionaire mentor, legend, whatever you want to call me. You can call me. I'm a father, I'm a brother to millions of young adults worldwide, and I'm here to help you. That's right, you make money tonight like I do every night for all of my followers. Okay? Please share the feed. Give me as many hearts as possible. Let's get her done. All right? Let's recap. Twisting to the side, twisting to the side. Guys, last night, okay? Last night, I gave everyone this gold trade. Please look at the money we made. Oh my God. Markets for around here. Look at how I predicted this move. It even went lower. Okay, so I told everyone last night, I told them I'm comfortable with this trade if this occurs. All right, so I told the boys, I said there's a good possibility it's gonna push up from here and collapse hard. Look what happened. It went maybe, man, it went $2 higher than where I said it would go. But since you guys know how to do your horizontal support lines and resistance lines, you would have caught this anyways, all right? And this was good for, I'll tell you how much money you could have made overnight. Honestly, this was good to make $100,000. So if you had a big account, you could have made $100,000. If you had a medium-sized account, you could have made around, I'd say, $10,000 to $20,000. And if you had a small account, you would have made about $1,000 overnight just on this move that I gave you guys last night. I've been calling gold at 100% nonstop. My gold calls are on fire. Someone call Jordan Belfort and tell him that Ocean Sky is on fire. Ocean Sky fire unlocked. All right, the real Wolf of Wall Street right here, baby. Every single day, this is what I'm doing, and we are making money. All right, now check it out. Classic play. We were playing here. We're consolidating. I said, you know what? We're going to get a spike. We're going to get a spike. Hit the resistance level here. Collapse. We broke down right through the major horizontal support at 1095. Broke through the trend line. We're trading in the 10s now. You know, let's drop it to a 4-hour time frame and see what is going on. Oh my God. Multi-year lows. This is crazy. This is crazy. Multi-year lows, guys. I mean, this is on a weekly time frame. We're going back to 2000. Let's go back. Let's see how low we've gone. Okay. So the last time prices was here was in November of 2009. Okay. Multi-year lows. What is going on? What are you doing, gold? You're going to kill China. You know how many metric tons of gold China is holding? Ridiculousness. Now, here's what's going to happen, boys and girls. We broke some horrifically powerful lines. So I'm going to come and I'm going to stick this line right there. You know what that is? That is the point where the moment gold touches, y'all better sell. Because this point that we broke is a very powerful area. All right. So look for gold tonight or by tomorrow to try to head towards this zone. When it does, you're going to do one thing and one thing only. You're going to sell that and you're going to go buy yourself a brand new car, and when you wake up in the morning, you're gonna say, I woke up in a new Bugatti. That's what's gonna happen, because if you had a big enough account, y'all be buying Bugattis right now, Paganis. You know what I mean? This ain't no penny stock bullshit like some of these other mentors are doing online. This is the real deal, all right? So check it out. Watch gold. We got multiple areas. We got this trend line that's going to protect it. We've got this support resistance line, this resistance line, daily pivot point. Now, there's a good possibility she ain't even going to make it there. Possibilities are that this is just going to go like this, all right? This just may happen as well. Zoom. All right, so keep an eye on gold. If you want to be frivolous a little bit, you want to take a short even around this area, hold on to while it goes up here, you're good as well. All right, so this might even happen. It might just go berserk on us and just drop down. But look for these regions to catch your short trade. All right, that's gold in a nutshell. Let's take a look at the euro. Do I need to Fibonacci this for you guys? Hold on. Let me go back to gold for a second. All right. Let me pull out my Fibagucci. You know, one of my buddies, all right? Funniest thing in the world. I was teaching him about this stuff. And for the longest time, he was calling it a Fibagucci. I'm like, what the hell is a Fibagucci? What's wrong with you, man? So, Fibagucci. From now, we call it a Fibagucci as well. Never mind, we don't need a Fibagucci on that right now because we are good. All right, euro. Euro's at 109.69. I like that number 69. Do you guys like 69? All right. Now, what's going on here right now with the euro? Let's go on a 4-hour time frame and take a look and see. All right. I see what you're trying to do. I see you going a little bit bullish on us, coming down to try to test that support line. So are we going to get a bounce up from here? Let me get rid of these Fibonacci levels. Let me get rid of these Fibagucci levels. All right? Because we don't need Fibagucci right now. All right? We need Jesus. That's what we need. Some of you guys need Jesus. All right. So anyways, I'm going to draw a fib from here, actually. I'm going to fib this from the top of this point right down. Guys, this is how you make millions of dollars. What you're seeing right now is how millions of dollars are made. Now, right now, I want every single one of you to stop what you're doing, swipe right, share feed, share broadcast with all your followers right now. This very second while I'm doing this, because I'm doing the Fibagucci, and once the Fibagucci is done, I want you guys to share the feed. So check it out. 1 hour time frame. I just fibbed it, and look where prices are failing. What is that? 38.2 Fibagucci retracement levels. I told you guys when the fibs hit the 38.2, that's a pretty powerful line. So now, we also got a trend line here that's penetrated. We got 2 options here. All right, we got 3 options here. We can either wait for this point to break, go short, wait for this area to break, and go long, off the break of this trend line, or we can just skip the euro altogether. But again, I'm not too ecstatic about the euro right now. There's a possibility she's going to collapse. There's a possibility she might break up. Now, I got a decent line here and a decent line of support. I got a 38.2. Guys, share the feed. I said, how do I only have 671 people watching this? This is atrocious. All right, 38.2 Fibagucci levels. I got support levels here, and I got a daily pivot point where I'm playing around. You know what? I'm not too big on the euro right now. Let me go on a 15-minute time frame. I think my hunch tells me that this is going all the way down here, but I'm not too keen in playing it. But my hunch tells me we're going to get a drop, I would say that down to this level. But I'm not playing the euro right now. Okay, and I'll tell you guys why in the morning. All right, so far, gold is what I want you guys to look at. But my hunch tells me that's what the euro is going to do. I ain't touching it right now, though. Now, pound USD, oh my goodness. Last night, look what I did again. Oops, I did it again. I made you some money. And go fuck Tim Sykes. Da-na-na-na-na. All right, so again, boom, right from here. Prices were here. I'm like, watch what's going to happen. look for it to either come to this line here and drop down hard, or it's a possibility if it continues to go up, you're going to catch it around this point. And look at that. Went right up there. I drew these last night. And look at that collapse. It even went further than I said. So from here, we're looking at 156.67 down to 155.11. Oh my God. That's 150 pips. That's all your money that you should make in 1 week. I'm not even coming on beer time next week. You guys make so much money with me. I'm not even giving you guys any more trades. You know what 150 pips is? 150 pips. If you had a $100,000 account, you could have made like 20-30% returns on your money overnight just on this one trade. Never mind the gold trade that I gave you next to it. All right. So because we had this massive move, massive drop in the pound, look for the British pound to possibly, I don't know, possibly come down, maybe down to here and do one of these. You know what I mean? Before it tries to make a lower low. Now that's my speculation anyways. So keep your eyes on it. Keep your eyes on it tight. Make sure you know what you're doing. Don't make any trades on this until I tell you to. But if you're drawing your pivot points, if you're drawing your trend lines, you'll know what to do. This is what I speculate will happen. All right. However, with that being said, I want you to only trade GBP USD if you're following the trend lines and you're following indication. Because at this moment, I'm not giving you a clear entry because of this massive move. All right. I'd like to see a little bit more in the market before anything happens. All right. AUD USD, she's sinking like the Titanic. All right. We're going to multi-year lows. This is wow. The last time Euro USD was here was in 2008. Shiza. Now, very simple. I'm going to draw this line here. All right. 73.37. That's about 50 pips up. All right. That's about 50 pips up. Now, what you're going to do is very simple. All right. What you're going to do is very, very simple. You're going to look for, see, I don't even think this thing is going to go up. To be quite honest, guys, share the feed. What's going on? 630 people in here. Share the feed. What am I telling you guys to do? Come on now. Come on now. What's going on with you guys? Now, there's a possibility this guy might pull up to this zone. I'm on a live feed, guys. I'm on a live feed. Please give me about 15-20 minutes. I'm live to air. There's a possibility this guy here might pull up, but there's also a possibility that Ty Lopez might stop reading his damn books. And the odds are actually, you know what, I could predict the markets, but I could never predict that guy. Now, anyways, back to what I was saying, all right? Let's take a look at this channel here. Let's create this channel, all right? And when I say channel, I'm not talking about those channels y'all watch on Pornhub. I'm talking about these real channels here, all right? So look at this. We spilled out of this triangle here. Now, because we spilled out, we've got, this is your daily pivots, S1, S2. We've already broken through this. News came out and crushed it, all right? In fact, I'm going to draw another line here, guys. You see here, if the AUD USD comes back up around this region, sell it. If it continues to go up, it's going to go up here. Sell it. Just sell it. All right. So this is probably going to go up. All right. Because it's profit taking, obviously, right? So here's your 5-minute trend line. All right. That just broke, semi-broke. All right. 5-minute trend line is right here. I'm going to draw it like that. All right. So as long as this trend line is probably going to bounce up around here. Eventually, within the next few hours, fuck off. Hold on. Eventually, it's going to bounce, 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 hit this region, spill out, and away she goes. So all you want is to play this, let this thing play by itself until it comes. When it hits this area and it spills out of this trend line, short it. End of story. Very simple. All right? USD CAD. We drew this line, man, so long ago, and you could just play it every day. Look, it just happened again. Like, did you guys take this short? Who took this short? If you took this short, thank you for making money. All right? Very simple. But I got a little bit of a surprise for you guys because I think she's ready to do some other things. All right? I think she's ready to make one more level higher. Now. All right? Keep your eyes on this trend line that I just drew. I got this trend line going upwards on a 15-minute chart in the USD CAD. There's a couple clinical points I'm going to create for you guys, all right? Just because I love you guys so much. What would we do without each other? I'll tell you what we do. We'd fucking watch random accounts on Instagram that mean nothing. All right, let me draw this. Guys, why are my followers dropping? I don't understand that. 509. Are you guys not sharing the feed? If you're not sharing the feed, then what are you doing? All right? Look at this line. Let the price play within this line. If it breaks below this and spills, all right, take a short position, all right, targeting here only. Okay? So if it goes like this, and it spills, okay, take the short and target the daily pivot point region. All right. However, if it comes up and it breaks above this line, okay, this is getting really annoying. I'm gonna punch a hole right through my screen. And it breaks above this line, wait for a pullback and then buy, targeting higher highs. Understand? Everyone understand? Two possible plays. End of story. Nothing else to be said. All right. Now, I've got a lot of people here working. I just turned. All right. I'm going to show my pretty face. Chat's back on. I don't know how many hearts I got. All right. So do you guys understand what I just showed you? Everybody is on point with everything I showed. Some guys, Dimitri saying the feed is all fucked up. Is that true? Is my feed all fucked up? Everyone clear? Is the feed all messed up? Well, I don't know. Okay? Anyways, just watch the replay, guys. Watch the replay. All right? So, if you're sort of confused, you're going to have to just continue to follow me. If you're new to this, guys, just continue to follow me. You're going to learn it all. I'm going to put up an actual crash course up on YouTube so you can learn the basics. All right? Now, the other thing is, multiple things. Just, guys, follow me on Instagram, all right? Ocean Sky, OCEANNSKY, and follow me on Facebook, facebook.com/Real Ocean Sky, REALOCEANSKY. And you're going to catch on to it. Send me messages, you'll catch on to it. There's going to be more crash courses, my mentorship site, my Forex tutoring site. A lot of things are coming out. Everything I do on Periscope is live and free, so I don't have time to constantly go back and forth on them, all right? Just continue following me. Be a loyal follower. You're going to get rich. That's all you need to know, okay? You're welcome for that. Everyone, look, read the comments. Everyone is always saying, thank you, I made money last night. Not a single one of my followers is saying I lost money. Look at that. Leithman Vongse made more money than I made yesterday, all right? So every single person, every single one of my followers is saying, thank you, I made money. And look at the amounts of money that they made. Look at the amounts of money they made, man. Fucking crazy. These are guys that did not know anything about the markets before. All right? Now look at them. All right? On 1519. Exactly. He knows it. I have your backs. Don't stress out. All right? Don't stress out. If you don't know something, you're going to find out. You're going to learn it. All right? All you need to know is I'm your mentor. Okay, if you want to know who I am, I'm a legend. Why am I a legend? Because you guys made me one. All right? End of story. You know? I'll tell you guys a funny little story. I met an editor tonight. Today I was going to hire, right? And I wanted to test her character. So she gave me a price on editing the stuff. And I said, you know what? I want you to, you know, I basically said, I tried to bring the price down by like 10%, right? And I did it on purpose to see if this person values their work, right? This person was so ignorant. She had the opportunity to edit almost every single one of my books. And she put up the biggest stink. And the funniest thing is, she was telling me about how she's an entrepreneur and a businesswoman. And I'm looking, I'm saying, and she, you know, she told me she's a mentor herself. So I'm looking at it, I'm saying, you're a mentor? You just gave away a massive job that you could have had because I told you to give me a 10% lower price because I wanted to see your character. You know what I mean? And it blows my mind how these people are. You know, she didn't look at the forest behind the tree. So many people out there that think they know business are one-sided. They try to gouge you. When they find a client, they try to hit him immediately for the best price and the highest price. Don't do that to your clients. When you find a solid client, simple. Take care of the damn client. Make sure that you produce, you provide, and even if he doesn't want a good price, give him a better price. Okay? Quantity over quality. Knee dragger. That's not how it works. How does it work? Are you arguing with me? Seriously? That's my quote. Always look at the forest behind the fucking tree. Okay? Knee dragger. Net dagger. If I'm wrong, enlighten us. Teach me some business. I don't know. I've only fucking made $20 million in the last 5 years. Teach me some business. All right? When you get a client, okay? When you get a client for the first time, what you do is make sure you provide. And when you provide, you go over and above his expectations. I don't give a shit if you think you fell from a king's ass. Reality is that we need the clients. The clients don't need us. The clients don't need us. There's 100 providers out there, my man. We need them. They pay for our Lamborghinis, our motorcycles, our $1,000 glasses, our $20,000 watches. They pay for our $10,000 meals. So when it comes time to taking care of the client, yeah, you shut your mouth. You make sure that client is happy. Because you know what? He's going to go out there and he's going to bring 20 clients. And when he brings his 20 clients, you're going to capitalize. Use your damn brain. You don't go and every time you find a new client, you say, you know what? It's $10,000. The guy says making $9,500. No, I'm not going to do it, man. I value my work too much. Go look somewhere else. You're an idiot if you say that. You're giving the person away to your competition. Why would you want to give your competition food? That's the incorrect mentality. If you want to become wealthy, if you're a business owner, you need to start putting your fucking mouth where it should be. Shut up. Take care of your clients. Trust me. You know who gets the last laugh? We do. Because when the night is over and you close your business door and you get inside of your $600,000 Lamborghini and you put your music on, who got the last laugh? You did. Guess whose money paid for that Lamborghini? That same dude. Right? You win at the end, regardless of it. So I try to teach this to people when I do business with them. You know, I've met multiple guys when I do business with them and I say, what's wrong with you? Look at the forest behind the tree. Tattoo that shit all over your fucking ass, your face, wherever you look first thing in the morning. All right? Do not lose a client to the competition. You do whatever it takes to provide for the client. There was another joker just 2 weeks ago that I bought a bike part off of. Okay? And you know, I told him the bike part you gave me is incorrect. I told him it's incorrect. You know what he said? I don't do returns or exchanges. The idiot said I don't do returns or exchanges when there's 1,000 guys doing what he does. And I went at 8:30 at night and I dropped a ton of money with him. And I'm the kind of guy who goes back and forth and spends money. Not only did he lose me as a client, but he lost every single person that talks to me because the stupid kid didn't want to do an exchange. You know where he runs his business out of? His garage. I didn't know that. I called the business over the phone. I didn't know he runs out of a garage. I got there wondering why he has a lucrative business and he runs it out of a damn garage. And he was just telling me, yeah, maybe he listens to Ty Lopez's videos and he decided to run it out of a garage. And he was telling me he's got a brand new baby on the way and he's trying to hustle. You're trying to hustle, but when a dude just came and dropped thousands of dollars, you fucking told him you're not going to take a return or an exchange? You moron! You buffoon! You imbecile! That's how you want to run your business? Makes no sense. That's not how you run a business. So, these individuals out there that want to run companies and want to be successful and think they have what it takes to make a lot of money, and then they sit back and say, you know what? My business isn't doing so well. My product isn't great. It's not your product. It's you. You're the failure, man. When a client comes to you, you treat them with respect. When they're wrong and you want to knock their head off, you bite your tongue, you shut your mouth, you smile, and you say, sir, you're right. Can I help you? Is there anything I can do to make sure you're happy today, sir? You know what, sir? You just bought this beer. How much is it? $15.99? I'm gonna charge you $12.99, sir, because I really like you as a client. That guy just got sold. He's always gonna come back to you. And that $3 you knocked off this beer means you're gonna sell 1,000 beers to him, you numbnuts. You're gonna make your money in the long run. Come on, man. How do you think I got where I got, man? How do you think I launch businesses overnight? And I make millions off of them. How do you think I do that? Because I take care of my clients. If somebody wants something, I give it to them. Just the way it is. I don't bend over and take it up the ass, but I make sure my clients are happy. I make sure my clients don't go anywhere else. Now, that wasn't the case with my Forex brokerage because that was the most horrific business in the world, but you understand what I'm talking about. Alright? You don't need to read a fucking book to learn this. It's common sense. If you don't have it, you need a guy like me to take you and beat it into you. Stop making me yell in the middle of the damn night. Alright? Anyways. Go out there. Whose fucking card is this? Go out there. Send your memes. Send your memes to the Ocean Sky Jokes page. Alright, let me give away these amazing gifts. I've autographed this. I've autographed this. Alright. And now I gotta go out there and I gotta sign over 100 shirts, package them, and send them to you guys. Alright? Anyways, I love you guys. Be good. Clean behind your ears. Be hygienic. Knee dagger, I forgive you. Take your vitamins. That's what Hulk Hogan used to say. Have a good night. I love you guys. I'll be back in a bit. Before I go, let me take a look and see what happened to the markets briefly. Nothing is going on. Nothing's changed up. Everything I read. All right. Love you guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Much love.